morning to all of my dear students. In the last lecture, we have studied practice set 1.3. Now today in this lecture we are going to study the last part of the chapter, theorem of areas of similar triangles. So here we have to study the theorem of areas of two similar triangles. So look at the theorem here. When two triangles are similar to the ratio of areas, when two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. जिथं दोन ट्रायंगल समरूप असतील तर त्यांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत बाजूंच्या प्रमाणात असतात असा तो थिअरम आहे. मग याच्यासाठी हा थिअरम आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे इथं आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्या थिअरमवरती डिपेंड असणारे किंवा त्या थिअरमचा वापर करून असणारे काही एक्झाम्पल आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत. त्यानंतर पहिल्यांदा आपण तो थिअरम कसा प्रूव्ह करायचा तो बघूया. मग इथे ते प्रूव्ह करत असताना दोन सिमिलर ट्रायंगल काढायचे आपल्याला. हियर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ द टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. सपोज हियर I have drawn two triangles such that triangle ABC and the second triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar to each other, and then I have drawn here AD is perpendicular to BC and here PS is perpendicular to QR. That means here AD and PS are the heights of these two triangles. Already we have studied the property of ratios of areas of two triangles. So use that property here. Then you have to prove the theorem. Okay. First of all, write the given thing. What is the given thing here? Two triangles are similar. Which two triangles you have taken here? We have taken the triangles ABC and PQR. These are the similar triangles. So here in the given statement write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. So it is in the given statement. Then what we have to prove here? The ratio of the areas of those triangles means those triangle means what? Triangle ABC and PQR is equal to the ratio of their squares of their corresponding sides. So here BC is the corresponding side of the QR, AB is the corresponding side of PQ, AC is corresponding to PR. So here we have to prove that. To write in the statement to prove. What is to be proved here? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is to be right here? Is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. It is to be proved here. So to prove this statement we have to use the property of areas of two triangles. So here write the proof here. Proof. What we have given that here? The two triangles are similar. We have to find, to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. For that, first of all, find the ratio of areas of these two triangles by using the property. So right here, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, by using the first property, base of the triangle ABC is a BC into height is AD divided by base of triangle PQR is QR into height is PS. Say this as statement 1. Write the reason here. The property of areas of two triangles. Property of areas of two triangles. Property of areas of two triangles. Okay. Now find. Now again, what you have given here? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar to each other. So right here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given statement. Right here the reason is given. Again, the property of the similar triangles. If the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. So right here the corresponding sides in proportion. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. So CS, ST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now what we have to prove here? AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. मग त्यामुळे काय करायचं? स्क्वेअर करा. सगळ्यांचं स्क्वेअर करा. इथं याला स्टेटमेंट आपण समजा. नाउ राइट हियर it is the statement 2. Okay, it is statement 2. Then again we have to prove that here is AD upon PS. Here we have to prove that AD upon PS means BC upon QR. For that we have to prove that these two triangles ABD and PQS or ACD PRS हे दोन ट्रायंगल तरी सिमिलर दाखवावं लागेल अथवा हे दोन ट्रायंगल तरी सिमिलर दाखवावं लागेल. ते दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स काय करा तर सिमिलर दाखवा. सो राइट हियर right in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. So one of the angle in both the triangles is a right angle. In triangle ABC, D is a right angle, and in triangle PQR, S is a right. PQS, yes, is a right angle, and these two angles are congruent. So right here, two angles are congruent. Which two angles? Here is the B and here is Q. So right here angle B means ABD or ABC is congruent to angle PQR. So write this one. 3. Reason CA ST corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now you prove this triangle. So angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. So write the reason here. Both of 90 degree or both angles are right angles. Again this angle ABD is congruent to angle PQS from 3 मध्ये इथे लिहिले बघा. ABC is congruent to PQR means ABD is congruent to PQS. Okay, now two angles of these two triangles are congruent, therefore these two triangles are similar to each other. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. So right here is an A test. By A test these two triangles are similar. Now look here, write the corresponding sides in proportion. So AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. BD upon QS लिहायची गरज नाही. Say this as statement 4. Okay, so this is statement 4. Now here by using 2 and 4, what we can write here? We can write AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. So from second and fourth, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PS. Say this as 5 and write reason from 2 and 4. Okay. Now look here. Now here from 1 and 5. 1 मध्ये काय लिहिले बघा आपण. In the first statement we have written here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into face. So right here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR into, right, instead of AD upon PS, right, instead of AD upon PS, what, BC upon QR. Instead of PS, write the statement BC upon QR. So write here BC upon QR. So write the reason here from 1 and 5. 1 and 5 और नहीं लेना पड़. So that is equal to BC square upon QR square. BC square is equal to BC square upon QR square. BC into BC, BC square, QR into QR, QR square. Okay. Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. We will get. Then again in the second statement, what I have written? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. That means BC square upon QR square is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square. So you can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. So right here, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. From reason from first, from the second one, say this as statement 6. From second and 6. From second and 6. So prove that the theorem area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay. We are going to study some examples based on areas of two similar triangles. So look at the first example here. In triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is equal to 16 and area of triangle PQR is equal to 25, not 20, 25. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 25. Then find the ratio AB upon PQ. Here these two triangles are similar, so we can use here the theorem of two similar triangles. So write this statement as it is. Area of triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If the two triangles are similar, then and only then you can use the theorem of areas of similar triangles. So if these two triangles are similar and we have to find the ratio of corresponding sides AB upon PQ, then you can use the theorem. So here, therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, you can write either AB square upon PQ square or BC square upon QR square or AC square upon PR square. But here we have to find AB upon PQ, therefore you can take here AB square upon PQ square. Write the reason here. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles. Similar triangles. Okay. Now put the value of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. So here area of triangle ABC is 16 and area of triangle PQR is 25. That is equal to AB square upon PQ square. So you have to find AB upon PQ. For that, take the square root on both sides. Take the square root of both sides. Therefore, you will get here 4 upon 5 is equal to AB upon PQ. Taking square root. Taking square root. Square root घेतला आपण. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. This is the value of the ratio AB upon PQ. In this way we can use the theorem of areas of two similar triangles if the two triangles are given similar and the corresponding sides are there and the areas of the two triangles is given. If the relation between the areas of two triangles is given and the relation between the two corresponding sides is given and the two triangles are similar, then you can use the theorem of areas of two triangles. Look at the second example here. The ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 2:5. If the area of smaller triangle is 64 square centimeter, then find the area of bigger triangle. So here also two triangles are similar. The ratio of corresponding sides is given and area of the one of the triangle is given. Then also we have to use the theorem of two similar triangles. Okay. Now here the name of the triangles are not given here. So you can assume any of two triangles which are similar. So we can assume here, let a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. Here we have to assume that. And then out of these two triangles, any one is a smaller and another is a bigger. So here triangle ABC is a smaller and triangle PQR is bigger. ओके, म्हणजे त्यापैकी एबीसी लहान आहे समजलं आणि PQR ही मोठी आहे असं समजलं आपण. Then what is given here? The ratio of the areas of these two triangles. 2 is a smaller one, 5 is a bigger one. So here what is to be right here? Area of triangle ABC. Write the smaller triangle in numerator because here in the ratio the first term of the ratio is a smaller one, that is it is the corresponding side of the smaller triangle. So here area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is to be right here, 2 upon 5 means 2 square upon 5 square. Okay, that is equal to 2 upon 5 or 2 square means right here is an theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, then 4 upon 25, 2 is the square 4 and 5 is the square 25, and area of triangle ABC is given 64. So right here 64 divided by area of triangle PQR is to be find. So area of triangle PQR, right here area of triangle PQR as it is. Okay, now do the cross multiplication here. Do the cross multiplication. So you can do the cross multiplication here. How to? Here 64 into 25 is equal to 4 into area of triangle, or take this 4 to this side divided by 4 and take here area of triangle PQR. Okay, then divide by 4 to 64, so we will get here area of triangle PQR is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24 into 25. बघा इथं 4 ने भागातलं 4 ones are 4 remains 2, so get 4, will get 24. Again 24 is divided by 4, 4 6 are 24, so 16 is the quotient here, 16 into 25. Therefore area of triangle PQR is equal to, now multiply 25 6 are 150, so 25 ones are 25, 25 plus 50, 15 is the carry, so 25 plus 50, that is 40, 400 square centimeter. Or 16 5 is 80, carry 8, 16 2 is 32 plus 8 40. So it is the area of the bigger triangle. Therefore area of bigger triangle is equal to, therefore area of bigger triangle is 400 square centimeter. It is the answer. Okay. Look at the third example here. In triangle or in trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side CD, diagonals AC and BD intersects at point P, then prove that area of triangle APB upon area of triangle CPD is equal to AB square upon CD square. Here quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium is given. In that trapezium AB is parallel to side CD. So first of all draw a trapezium here. Draw a trapezium. So it is a trapezium. Look at this one. It is a trapezium AB CD. here AB is parallel to CD. So the diagonals BD and the diagonal AC intersect at point P. So write this quadrilateral here as a trapezium. Here what we have to prove here, area of triangle APB upon area of triangle CPD is equal to AB square upon CD square. AB and CD are the corresponding sides of ABP and triangle CPD. So here we have to prove that it is the ratio of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Then you can write this one, if these two triangles are similar to each other, by using the theorem of similar triangles. If these two triangles are similar, then and only then we can write this statement. For that, what we have to prove here? First of all, we have to prove these two triangles are similar to each other. Then use the theorem of similarity of two triangles. You can write this statement. So first of all, prove these two triangles are similar. So take in triangle. Again, first of all, हे दोन ट्रायंगल आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, सिमिलर दाखवावं लागेल. सिमिलर दाखवण्यासाठी आपल्याला दोन अँगलची गरज आहे. दोन अँगल्स, इथे एक अँगल, एक पेअर आहे अपोजिट अँगलचं, दुसरे अँगल पाहिजे आपल्याला. त्याच्यासाठी हे दिलेले आहेत आपल्याला AB इज पॅरलल टू CD. सो टेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल AB इज पॅरलल टू CD and take any one of the transversal AC or BD and then write the two angles, alternate angles congruent. So here AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and take any one of the transversal, and AC is transversal. AC is transversal. Therefore, take two angles, this angle and this angle. These two are the alternate angles. So take angle BAP is congruent to angle DCP. Say this as first one and write the reason here. Alternate angles. Okay, alternate angle. Again, in triangle, take these two triangles. In triangle APB and triangle CPD. One angle is a opposite angle, so take this one. Angle APB is congruent angle CPD. Vertically opposite angles. These two are the vertically opposite angles. Again, we have written this one. So write this statement as it is. Angle BAP is congruent to angle DCP from 1, because this is in the first statement. So write the reason from 1. Two angles of these two triangles, corresponding angles of these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are similar to each other. So write here triangle APB. Therefore, triangle APB is similar to triangle CPD by which test? AA test. Okay. Then these two triangles are similar. Then use the theorem of similarity of two triangles. Therefore, area of triangle APB divided by area of triangle CPD is equal to which corresponding side is to be proved here? AB square upon CD square is to be proved. म्हणजे दोन्ही तीन करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड पैकी आपल्याला कुठली साइड पाहिजे? AB आणि CD पाहिजे. त्यामुळे इथे AB आणि CD घ्या. AB square upon CD square. So right here reason theorem of similar triangles. Okay, theorem of similar triangles. In this way we can use the theorem of similar triangles to solve the examples. I hope that all of you, all examples and the theorem have understood. Thank you.